You tap out at 10 push-ups, maybe 12 on a good day. Meanwhile, some guy half your size is banging out 50 like it's a warm-up. The difference isn't genetics, it's not muscle mass. It's one training method you've never heard of, and you're about to learn it right now. Most people train push-ups like this: 3 sets, 10 reps, rest, repeat forever. That builds basic strength, but it doesn't build high rep endurance, which is why you stay stuck at 20 to 30 push-ups for months, maybe years. If you want to break 50 reps, you need to train your muscles to keep working after they want to quit. Stop going to failure every set. Start doing this instead. Step 1, grease the groove. Take your current max, let's say it's 10 reps. Now do 5, walk away, come back an hour later, do 5 more. Repeat 10 times throughout the day, 50 total reps, 0 burnout. Your muscles stay fresh, your form stays clean. This is how special forces train. This is how gymnasts build endurance. Not in the gym, throughout the day. Step 2, the ladder protocol. Now you add ladders. Here's how it works. Do 1 push-up, rest 10 seconds, do 2, rest 10 seconds, do 3, rest 10 seconds. Keep climbing until you hit your max or close to it. Then reset, start at 1 again. Repeat 3 times. This trains fast recovery. Your body learns to flush lactic acid between efforts. Your endurance explodes, but only if you do it right. Run this 3 to 4 times per week for 2 weeks. Step 3, fix your form. First 100 sloppy push-ups won't make you strong, they'll make you injured. Hips sagging? Wrong. Elbows flaring past 45 degrees? Wrong. Half reps? Wrong. Lock your core, keep elbows at 45, full range, chest to ground. Arms fully extended at the top, no shortcuts. 1 clean rep beats 5 fake ones, every time. Step 4, add tempo variation. Week 3, you're hitting 25 to 30 reps now. Time to add resistance without weights. Do 1 set with a 3-second descent, slow down, explode up. Do another set with a 2-second pause at the bottom. No momentum, pure strength. This makes regular push-ups feel easy, like training with a weighted vest, then taking it off. What not to do. Mistake 1, training is per day. 1 hard session won't cut it. You need frequency, multiple times per day, low fatigue, high volume. That's the formula. Mistake 2, ignoring pain signals. Soreness is fine, sharp pain is not. Tendinitis will destroy your progress for weeks. Listen to your body, don't be stupid. Mistake 3, not tracking. Write it down. Every set, every day. No tracking, no progress. Simple. Now here's the simple challenge for you. Week 1 to 2. Grease the groove, 10 sets of half your max daily. Every hour, drop and do 5. Your coworkers will think you're weird. Let them. They can't do 50 push-ups either. By day 3, you'll hate this. By day 14, you'll feel unstoppable. Week 3 to 4, ladders 3 to 4 times per week. 1 rep, rest 10 seconds. 2 reps, rest 10 seconds. Keep climbing until your form breaks. Reset, 3 full rounds. Your brain will quit before your muscles do. Ignore it. Your brain is soft. Last round, add 3-second descents and 2-second pauses. You'll feel like you're doing push-ups underwater. That's growth. Week 5, test day. Go for your new max. No backup plan. Most people hit 40 to 50 reps. Some hit 35 and panic. You're still 3 times stronger than 5 weeks ago. Some freaks hit 60. This isn't a competition. You now have the exact system. The same one that took me from 15 to 50 plus in 4 weeks. No gym, no equipment, just smart training. You can keep doing your 3 sets of 10 and stay weak, or you can run this protocol and actually get results. Your choice.